friends, I'm Yvonne. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you do like this content. I share a lot of fashion, high and low, lifestyle, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of travel, just a little bit of everything. So if it's something that you think you might be interested in, please give me a chance and subscribe. Today, I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you and also to share something that some information about an item. What I'm about to show you, it's one of the bags I had showed you on Instagram, on my Instagram stories. I had considered purchasing for full price. We were in Las Vegas a few months ago and I stopped by one of the stores, the Valentino stores there. I really liked, I was going between two bags. I just was not sure which one I wanted. And this bag is one of the two. I almost got the bag and I almost paid full price for it. And it's not an inexpensive bag too. I just thought it was different, something not very popular, but I liked it. A different shape, as you see. So I did a poll asking which one you all liked, and some of you, it was kind of almost like 50-50, very close. But I ended up seeing the bag on sale. The website, I think I saw it on myteresa.com. myteresa, THERESA.com. They sell luxury items and just you can find almost everything on it. Really fast shipping, great customer service. At least I've had a great experience with them. Anyway, I found the item at half off. It was, I think it was like 50% off, some colors, and the color I wanted, which is just a classic black color, was also on sale. So I was so happy. I did not pay full price for it. So the point is, guys, if you do like some items, make sure, there's some brands that will go on sale. There's some brands that some other websites do carry and will promote them and have promotions that you probably don't want to pay full price for them. But yeah, this is one of the items. So I just wanted to share with you. It is so, the box is so heavy. It came in this box and I just opened it right now just because it would be hard to do it here with one hand. But I have not seen the item, so let's see how it looks. And this is the website I was talking about, where I got it from. It says, "The world needs fantasy, not reality. We have enough reality today," which, you know what? I can agree with that. And then let's see what's in here. The receipt. Yes, just receipt and information on the bag. And it came in the, this is the box it comes in, the My Teresa packaging. It's like a yellow box. You can get this or you can get just the standard, I think brown colored packaging, which is the same price really. But this is the box. It came in bright yellow, pretty box. And it just lifts right here. And this is how it looks on the inside. And it is heavy. I was wondering, I'm like, did I forget what I ordered? But I didn't think it would be this heavy. But this is so heavy. And it just has just a little note. "Thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped by," I guess it has the salesperson's name from the My Teresa website. And then it has the description of the item just right here, the name and everything. And this is a really pretty box. It feels heavy. But yeah, here it is, guys. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this comes in this bag. The gift bag. No, not the gift bag, I'm sorry. The dust bag. Here it is. I was thinking, I'm like, no, not gift bag, dust bag. But yeah, here it is. And let's pull it out. I'm excited to see how it looks in person. this is how it looks, guys. I really like it, what I'm seeing. I remember just loving the shape. The shape almost looks like a lunchbox. I don't have anything like this. It has their tag here. It's returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So here it is. And it has the name of the bag. I think it's pronounced alcove. This is the name of the style of the bag, Valentino Garavani, alcove. The rock studs, from the rock stud collection, as you can see, the studs. I really like it. What do y'all think? I love the shape. It's something so different from anything else that I have, and it was one of the reasons why I just really liked. I just love the shape. This is, I'll stand. Sorry guys, I have shorts on. So you can hold it like so. Really cute. And then this is how you open it up from here. Just push that, and then it opens up like a lunch, literally like a lunchbox. The interior looks like this. It has a pocket right here, and it's just really just open. I would probably keep it stuffed just like they sent it. I think it helps to keep the shape. So, and then I know that it has a longer strap. Let me look for that. This is the longer strap. Let's see if I can easily pull it out to show you better. Sometimes the straps are so hard to get out. You can see the strap also has the rug studs. Valentino, they have the Valentino Garavani, they have different collections. I think they have the one stud out right now, which is really popular. It's really cute, just really with one main stud, and these are the rug studs. I have a pair of heels too that are from the rug stud collection. And then this, yeah, really cute. You can adjust it, and you just kind of, it has the spots right here where you can fit the longer strap right here on both sides. And let me close it and do that so you can see better. It's really cute. I like the size. Besides the shape that I love, I also really like the size of it. I think that it's a good size. It's not too small. I think the size will fit a good amount of things. I mean, as much as, I think a mini bag is cute and all, I also need to be able to fit a few things in my bag, you know? I want to be able to fit maybe at least a card in there that you use, my identification maybe, some money maybe. My phone definitely will fit in here. But yeah, this is how it looks. Really cute. And it also would work on the shoulder. I'm not even going to try to pull this whole thing off right now. I'll do that later. Shoulder. And then if you wanted to do a crossbody, this is really short right now, but I could make it longer from here so it falls, so you can see how it falls. So I guess as long as this would be the longest, unless if I decide to add a few more, holes on the strap. This is the drop. It's a little higher of a drop than I like it, but it's okay. You know, all my crossbodies don't have to be very long, so it's okay. It works. And if I wanted a little bit more of a drop, I can just put a few more holes on the strap. But yeah, here it is. Really, really cute. I'll bring it closer. You can just see the logo and the name right there. The details, the rock stud all over. Nothing right here on the bottom. And then right here, how it closes, how it opens and closes on either side. But yeah, here it is. Very cute. What do you all think of it? So yeah, here it is, and I got it on sale, guys, for I think it was half off, if not even a little bit more than half off. And this website is one of the websites that sometimes will have promotions that maybe if you sign up for certain, maybe your email address and all that, you get certain added deals, added specials. So just watch out for it. It's a really great website for luxury items. Anyway, guys, that's really what I have to share with you today. If you have any thoughts on the bag, have you seen it? Do you like it? Do you like the shape, that lunchbox type shape? It's definitely different. Not everyone might like it. It's not for everyone, I'm sure, but I do really like it. So tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.